Yo, what's good, gang? It's the Dope Guy, and I am back with another video, big dog. Yo, I hope you guys are all doing well out there because I'm doing alright. And here I am, spinning the block with content for y'all, man, my soul. As you can tell from my voice, man, I'm under the weather, unfortunately. You know what I'm saying? Under the weather. It started happening to me like late afternoon after I finished uploading the other videos for the channel. And right now, I ain't gonna hold you. I'm cooked. I'm drained. I'm exhausted. But I'm still gonna drop content for y'all, man, because that's how much of a big dog I am to my big dog. So shout out to y'all, man, for holding me down, checking out my content. You know what I'm saying? We're on our road to 30,000 subscribers. Let's keep it going, bro. Shout out to y'all, man. So bear with me. Bear with me as I'm trying to do this, get through these videos, man, for real, for real. But today's video, we got Noko Mashaba, Makhi's chicken. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Rams Comics. Shout out to everybody in South Africa. Much love, respect to y'all, man. You know, even though I'm under the weather, we're still gonna sit and enjoy this video, man. I know it's gonna be crazy because, you know, Noko and Don, these are crazy, bro. Rude, all that, all the above, bro. So I cannot wait to tap into this video. But before we do that, subscribe to the Dope Guy, that way to get notifications every time I upload. And follow me on Snapchat and Instagram right across the bottom screen. So with that being said, I'm not gonna hold y'all much longer because y'all already know this. Go big dog. Let's get into it. Yes, sir. Let's get it.
Rata go leboga badimo ba ga Mashaba for blessa ka go ya matsabita. Malome le a ja monna ke sa rapela.
Wow.
O nyaka nne ke emele wena o bola le bahu ka nako o ja o tsubile nya o go bona. Hey, ene e bosana bia o ka re bitso ka chance.
Oh.
Lena. Hey, le tsere ka stojana se.
Hey, o nyaka nka mo Makhi.
Ka re le tsere ka stojana se. Hey, re khela kwa mtlhareng o bore. Go wa jaaka we ikwa ingwanile ka go re ke a go man re ka se je go ya go ona kwena nkambe re ke score pa sa go tima mollo ka dihele
O nyaka o dia
go ya ka ke tseba ka Beth Mark mo Soropeng.
Oh, damn.
Hey, na ke tsogo bolela ka anyway o dia go ya modimo wena o tseba bia go ina le Beth Mark mo Soropeng o tla ba le yona ga
Kick his ass. Kick his ass, bro. Kick his ass. They kick his ass. That's all I would tell you. Whoop his ass.
Yo ke ta ba ka le go gwa ka o tsena ka wena
o mpotsa gore ka ja go ya motho wa go se itata so o ne o re tshila bia wena go ka tlapa no o ka lesa 5 kg.
oh o tlo sko mashelshilaba
ai ya tso ha tsa ko sini ene ke a tsebo go tlhakole ka plastic wena o na bana go bone hey o se so lo bise sa ka wena
ai tlogela wena yo ja testa DNA ai ba mo rumile tamane
batho ba modimo lona motako botolo gape re na le bothata nka o bone gape makutso o hira di-lawing services
get under condom trailer.
Oh, damn. The anaconda joint.
moteko ko rone go fetsa ka rona ka nnete
Malum, one of the slogan sabona ser ule bambeling a show. Re hula re romos.
aowa a re founele puso gale bjang gore a tla mo counterloy. Hello puso gape makišo o le ka gore loela gore re adimile go goage gopele go tlo mo neutralize tle. Why didn't you just give him his chicken back then?
Right. Why you just give it to him, dog?
You ate his chicken. Our woman, it tripped and fell into our stomachs. Of course, it's man. My man, you just need to do the right thing and apologize. Pusu, my righteousness.
Now, you know damn well, knowing me watching that video for a while, bro, them motherfuckers ain't gonna apologize to nobody, bro. They think everybody's against them for real, bro. They're not gonna apologize to nobody. They some assholes.
I'm just looking at well as they're only bambelling my show. Regular woman. Apology. What a woman a toilet paper, even regular on. I will tell you one thing. It will end in the diffusion of soul-concentrated fluid through the lacrimal apparatus. Eh?
My man, did you just say it will end in tears, but with some scientific source?
Precisely.
You already said.
Aye, nteya khaja majana. Ngoza me pastor skebo.
Aha.
Udimo palabaloi, hello.
Hemona ske. Ke go bole go tlo nrapelele mona. Gape go se ke raga le pai.
O re ke tla ke diengi. A o tsebe le tie this spell jwa mara o rata attention. O ke tila ke mina zotwa mo. E ke re ke a tsoa ke please call me rapelo. Ke re ke a toilet, trans way.
What's my king? Wena le bushiri. Ke go mo di heleng ba shitse ba di humanetse di 10 ke re le di login details tsa lena ba shitse ba di save gobane ba tseba re tlo ba di regular mpyatoe
your donor.
yo modimo wa ka modimo wa ditšhoane ke re nthuse
Chief, o stand danger boo. O boele go na marapa go go.
Crockman.
Because he know he was wrong, bro. It had his whole birthmark and shit. You know he was wrong for eating that damn chicken, bro. Like, they some assholes, bro. And respecting forgiveness for doing wrong, bro. Hell no.
People are
only feeling sorry for them.
Do the right thing and apologize.
Stressing. Look at him pacing, stressing.
Malemeng ka le duleng fatshe le taba la patela go ya ga Sathane mo fatshe.
aowa nna nka sa kgona o tsebe keng a le dumolata mothapona re mmotse tebe go kwa a ka se re palele nne
Ke dumellana le wena malolo. Ga ka se re bese ditjebo di motsetsa re a mo mmamola.
Beat him up for what? See, this is what I'm talking about, man, with these dudes, man. Bro. Uh-oh.
What in the Titombowenis cooking show is going on here?
Japan le apea di nightmare ka mo
A re phakisha le palagane before ke le tlhakantsetsa di postmortem mo ka mokagaleng. O busy wa re lawyer ke re mo.
o na le 2 minutes gore o unlawyer otherwise
Tla ke le lawyer. Listen, I still on my because we devoured your chicken.
Kick his ass.
oh le a tloala gane aowa le nna ntho dišeng ba ga gešo le nna ke nyaka BMW
Wait a minute. Since go goela re shileng ke go thwala. Go tlo diagalang ka malare.
Uh-oh.
Hey, arrest.
Ooh.
botlogolo le tsoka mo ke tsene before ke senyetša maro
Hey, it's got diarrhea now.
Ah, wa malolo. Gape le nna di ntshwere lo tje. Le
Got him.
ke ka ibe.
yes yes
Di do ya go itisa
Yo, bro.
hey ke tsoka mo wena se tsobe
Hilarious, dog. See, that's what they ass get, bro. Karma. I said Carmen. Jesus, I'm under the weather. I'm sorry. Karma bit them in the ass, more so in the stomach. Now they all fucked up, bro. Diarrhea, all that shit, man. That's what they get. I don't feel bad for these. I don't ever feel bad for Don's and Noko. I never feel bad for these motherfuckers ever, because every video I've seen so far from Noko Mashaba, they are assholes, man. They feel like they run shit, bro. And I don't care for them. Y'all, and a lot of y'all notice that I don't care for them, bro. But hey, it is what it is. But it's all entertainment. So shout out to all my people in South Africa. Shout out to Rams Comments. Y'all go subscribe to the channel, man. Much love, respect to everybody who's been supporting the channel. Almost at 30,000 subscribers. I appreciate y'all, man. We working, bro. We are working. Even though I'm under the weather, I apologize, man. My projection isn't crazy. You know what I'm saying? My energy is low, but I'm still coming through getting this content out for y'all, man, because I rock with y'all heavy, man. So one thing y'all can do for me is, man, to run the likes up, subscribers, the views, everything, man. Run it up, man. Look out for me like I look out for y'all, dog. And I appreciate y'all. We're going to keep this thing going on, God. But, yo, hope you enjoyed the reaction to this video. If you enjoyed my reaction, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the Dope Guy Big Dog. Hit the notification bell whenever I upload. From right here on Snapchat and Instagram, right across the bottom screen. Any other videos you may check out, please comment. And in this video, my other videos, leave likes and comments on all my videos that help grow the channel, help with the algorithm for sure. Any more videos you may check out, leave a comment in the comment section below. And I got you. I'm gonna spin the block. Man, it's the Dope Guy, and I am out. Yes, sir. Here we go.